Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Today, we are answering a common issue: Ultimate Guide to Customizing Your Android Home Screen. Here's a quick overview. 1. Open Themes app. 2. Browse Theme Store. 3. Apply Favorite Theme. 4. Mix and Match. 5. Dark Mode. So let's get started. 1. Open the Themes app. First, locate your phone's Themes app. It is like the treasure chest of customization, but instead of gold, it is packed with wallpapers, icons, and more. If you cannot find it, try the Settings app under Wallpaper and Themes, or just ask your phone nicely. It might cooperate. 2. Browse the Theme Store. The Themes app is a playground for customization lovers. You will find themes. These are like outfit changes for your phone, complete with new icons, fonts, and wallpapers. From nature scenes to edgy abstract art, there is something for everyone. Yes, even your inner minimalist. Fonts? Want your phone to scream fun or classy? Change the fonts. Ringtone? Because your notifications deserve personality too. Scroll around, explore categories, and feel like a window shopper at a digital mall. 3. Apply your favorite theme. Found something that makes your heart skip a bit? Maybe you just stumbled upon the theme that will turn your phone into a work of art, or at least look closer than your friend's phone. Tap on the theme. Check out the preview, because you don't want to be stuck with the theme that makes your eyes scream, and hit download. Once it is downloaded, tap apply and prepare yourself for a transformation that will have your phone looking like it just walked out of a high-end fashion show. Watch in awe as your phone goes from meh to wow in seconds. It is like upgrading from instant noodles to a gourmet meal. Enjoy the new look, because your phone will probably be feeling like the king of the digital jungle now. 4. Mix and match for maximum style. Feeling like Picasso? Many themes apps let you mix and match. Use icons from one theme, fonts from another, and wallpaper from your favorite meme. Head to the different sections and let your creative genius shine. 5. Dark Mode for the win. Dark Mode isn't just cool, it is battery friendly and easier on your eyes. Plus, it makes you feel like a tech ninja. Toggle it on from the Themes app or Settings. Display. And there you have it, everyone. Customizing your Android home screen using built-in themes is easier than trying to assemble IKEA furniture and way more fun. If you like this guide, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. What is your favorite theme hack? Share it in the comments and send this to a friend whose home screen screams, "Help me!" Until next time, keep updating and stay connected with Wireless Solutions.